Miss Ross, I'm just going to have a look through your fridges and freezers now, just to check some of the temperatures and see how you're labelling these. I can tell you the
6.7. So it's legal requirement for fridges to be below 8 degrees. Temperature's fine, it's 4.3. They've also got a digital display here that will tell the temperature. We always recommend that they do take an internal temperature as well of the unit.
When we come to do the food hygiene inspection, what we look at in the kitchen is we look at cleanliness levels. So we look at floor, walls, ceilings, underneath equipment, making sure they're clean and tidy. We look at the structure, making sure things are in good repair and condition. So a kitchen may have an old structure, but as long as it's in good repair condition, you can clean it properly and it's compliant with the regulations. Other things that we look at in the kitchen are where people prepare their food, making sure there's no cross-contamination risk in place. So where they prepare their raw meat and what chopping board they use, and where they prepare the raw vegetables and salad items, making sure that any ready-to-eat food is kept separate from anything else.
I think it's all about making sure that the product is as safe and for the customer as possible, and it's all about the consumer, so I don't think you can attach enough importance to that really. So I mean it's up to all of us to do the best we can to make sure it's right. There's ongoing training all the time, and to be honest with you, the environmental health officers are very helpful these days, and if you're struggling with anything, they're more than happy to help you to get you where you need to be. So it's really quite a good system now, I find. It's very thorough, but they're very helpful in getting you where you need to be.